Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve A-Level Pure Maths Year 2 Unit 1 Algebraic Methods Mixed Exercise question number 16. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of this book. Now the question number 16 is x4 by x square minus 2x plus 1 that equals ax square plus bx plus c plus d over x minus 1 plus e over x minus 1 whole square. So we can see that this is x4 and this is x square. So we will solve this by division method. X4 divided by x square minus 2x plus 1. So to make x4 we will multiply x square by x square. It will become x4. X square is multiplied by minus 2x, we get minus 2x cube. X square multiplied by 1, we get plus x square. Now change the old sign and give the new signs. We get x4 minus x4 are cancelled out. This is 2x cube minus x square. To make 2x cube, we will multiply x square by 2x. So this will be 2x cube. 2x multiplied by minus 2x is minus 4x square. 2x multiplied by 1 is plus 2x. Now change the old sign, gives the new sign. 2x cube minus 2x cube are cancelled out. So minus x square and the plus 4x square is minus 3x square. Then plus 2x. So and sign of this is also changed, so this will be minus 2x. Now we will solve this further. Now to make 3x square we will multiply this by 3 plus 3. So 3 multiply x square is 3x square. 3 multiply this is minus 6x and 3 multiply is plus 3. Now change the old sign, give the new sign. It will become 6x minus 2x is 4x minus 3. Now we will write this. Now we will solve this by partial fraction and 4x minus 3 by x square minus 2x plus 1 can be write as x minus 1 whole square. So we get d over x minus 1 plus e over x minus 1 whole square. Now by taking the LCM we get 4x minus 3 equal d into x minus 1 plus e. Now take x minus 1 equal 0. It's mean x equal 1. So we get 4 minus 3 that equals e. So value of e is 1. Now to find the value of t we will compare the value of x. So 4 equals d. Now the value of a is find out by comparison of these values. So a equals x square and 1. Bx equal 2x, it's mean b equal 2 and c equal 3. So we will substitute these value here to write the final answer. So a is 1, b is 2, c is 3, d is 4 and e is 1. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 15. Now question number 17 is h of x equals 2x square plus 2x minus 3 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3. That equals a plus b over x plus 3 plus c over x minus 1. So we will solve this to find the value of a, b and c. So first of all this is improper because both the denominator and numerator powers are same. So we will solve this by division method. 2x square plus 2x minus 3 and here x square plus 2x minus 3. To make 2x square, we will multiply this by 2. So get 2x square plus 4x minus 6. Now change the old sign. 2x square minus 2x are cancelled out. And here we get 4x minus 2x is minus 2x and plus 3. Now we will write this as 2 plus minus 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3. Now we will make the partial fraction of this factor. So minus 2x plus 3 divided by, here we can make the factors of 3 such that when they are subtracted give 2. So x plus 3 and x minus 1. Then write this as b by x plus 3 and c by x minus 1. Now take the LCM. Minus 2x plus 3 equals b into x minus 1 plus c into x plus 3. Now in the next step we will take x minus 1 equal 0, which implies x equal 1. So minus 2 plus 3 equals x minus 1 0. So c into 1 plus 3, that is 4. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So c value is 1 by 4. So value of c will be 1 by 4. Here we write c equal 1 by 4. And the value of a will be 2. Now to find the value of b, we will take x plus 3 equal 0. So x equal minus 3. So minus 2 into minus 3 plus 3 equals b into minus 3 minus 1. So 2 into 3 is 6. So plus 6 plus 3 is 9. So b into minus 4, which implies that b equal minus 9 by 4. So here we write b value, that is minus 9 by 4. Now substitute all these values to get the final answer. So write the final values of a is 2, b is 1 by 4, minus 9 by 4. So minus 9 by 4 and c is 1 by 4. So this is the answer. Now we will solve question number 18. Now you have to find p, q and r value in question number 18. So this is again improper because we have x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 2x. So divide this x square plus 1 by x square minus 2x. To make x square, we will multiply this by 1. So get x square minus 2x. Change the old sign, give the new sign. It will become 2x plus 1. Now we will write this in the fraction form and get 1 plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 2x can be write as x into x minus 2. Now we will do the partial fraction on this. So 2x plus 1 divided by x into x minus 2. This will be write as p over x plus q r over s, q over x, and next one is r over x minus 2. Now taking the LCM, 2x plus 1 equals q will be multiplied by x minus 2 and r multiplied by x. After this, now we will take first x is 0, that implies 1 equal q into minus 2, that implies that q equal minus 1 over 2. Now value of q right here minus 1 over 2. Now to find other value, take x minus 2 equal 0, that implies x equal 2. So 2 into 2 plus 1 equal r into 2. So 5 equal r into 2, which implies that r equal 5 by 2. Now r equal 5 by 2. Now we will write the final answer. you can see that by comparison P is 1, Q is minus 1 over 2 and R is 5 over 2. So this is the final answer. Now we will solve the last question. Now question number 19 is given that f of x equal 2x cube plus 9x square plus 10x plus 3. You have to show that minus 3 is the root of f of x. It's mean you will put x equals minus 3. Then 2 into minus 3 cube plus 9 into minus 3 square plus 10 into minus 3 plus 3. It means 2 into minus 3 cube is 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. This is minus 27 plus 9 into 9. So this will be minus 81 and this will be plus 81 and this is minus 30. This is 54. So minus 30 plus 3. Now you can see minus 54 and minus 30 is minus 84. 81 plus 3 is plus 84. Both are cancelled out and answer is 0. It's mean minus 3 is a factor. Now we will solve the B part. Now in the B part you have to show that 10 over f of x as partial fraction. So since you know that minus 3 is factor in the A part, so it's mean x equal minus 3 is factor. So x plus 3 is a factor of this. So we will solve this by division method. So 2x cube plus 9x square plus 10x plus 3 is divided by x plus 3. To make 2x cube we will multiply this by 2x square. So this is 2x cube. 2x square multiplied by 3 is plus 6x square. Now 2x cube minus 2x cube are cancelled out. 9 minus 6 is 3x square plus 10x plus 3. To make 3x square we will be multiplied by 3x. So this is 3x square. Then 3x multiplied 3 is plus 3x, 9x. So now we will give the new sign and get this is cancelled out. So 10 minus 9 is x plus 3. So multiply this by plus 1. So x plus 3, circle the old sign, give the new sign. All terms are cancelled out. So this is the factor. Now we will write here 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Then we will write 10 over f of x as 10 by x plus 3 into 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we can make the factors of 2x as multiply is 2 and addition gives 3. So 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. Take 2x as common. So x plus 1 plus 1 into x plus 1. So you will write this as 10 by x plus 3 into x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. Now make the factors of this. So 10 equals a by x plus 3. All terms will be here. B over x plus 1 and c over 2x plus 1. Now by solving this we get the equation a into x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 plus b into x plus 3 and 2x plus 1 and plus c into x plus 3 and x plus 1. Now after solving this we will get their values as by taking x plus 1 equals 0, then x plus 3 equals 0, 2x plus 1 equals 0. By repeating this process we will get the final answer. That will be the value of a will be, we will write this here. So value of A will be 1, value of B will be 8, value of B will be minus 5, and value of C will be 8. So this is the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve the next exercise. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.